Question. Discuss the ethical considerations AI developers must account for when creating algorithms used in predictive policing. How can governance frameworks ensure these considerations are met? Correct answer. A. Ethical considerations include bias reduction, transparency, and accountability. Governance frameworks should enforce regular audits, require impact assessments for bias and fairness, and establish clear accountability mechanisms in cases where AI systems lead to discriminatory outcomes. Question. Analyze the impact of GDPR's Article 22 on automated decision-making processes and how it influences AI development within the EU. Correct answer. B. Article 22 restricts making decisions based solely on automated processing, including profiling, that produce legal effects concerning or significantly affecting individuals. This regulation mandates that AI systems used in such contexts include human oversight and clear methods for individuals to challenge decisions and obtain explanations. Question. What are the challenges and potential strategies for implementing an effective AI governance framework in multinational corporations that must navigate multiple regulatory environments? Correct answer. C. Challenges include varying standards and regulations across jurisdictions. Strategies involve creating a flexible governance framework that adheres to the strictest regulations, centralized oversight with regional adjustments, and continuous training for compliance and ethics across different regions. Question. Discuss the role of transparency and explainability in AI systems, particularly in sectors where AI decision-making impacts individual rights, such as healthcare and criminal justice. Correct answer. D. Transparency involves open communication about how AI systems operate and make decisions, while explainability refers to the ability of the system to provide understandable reasons for its decisions. Both are crucial for building trust and accountability, especially where decisions significantly affect individuals' lives. Implementing these features requires technical solutions like model interpretability and the development of standards for disclosure. Question. How do emerging technologies like quantum computing challenge existing AI governance frameworks, and what proactive measures can be taken to address these challenges? Correct answer. A. Quantum computing could potentially accelerate AI capabilities, creating new risks, particularly in security and decision-making speeds that may outpace human oversight capabilities. Proactive measures include updating risk assessment models, investing in quantum-resistant encryption technologies, and establishing governance practices that can adapt to rapid advancements in computing power. Question. Evaluate the implications of autonomous weapon systems on international security and human rights, and discuss the governance mechanisms that should be in place. Correct answer. B. Autonomous weapons pose risks like accidental escalation and challenges in attributing accountability for mistakes. Governance mechanisms should include international treaties to regulate development and use, strict compliance checks for ethical standards, and transparency in operational protocols. Question. Critique the adequacy of current AI governance frameworks in handling data privacy concerns raised by large-scale facial recognition technologies. Correct answer. C. Many existing frameworks are inadequate as they do not specifically address the nuances of facial recognition, such as consent in public spaces and the potential for mass surveillance. Enhanced privacy regulations, specific guidelines for biometric data, and public transparency about the use and capabilities of these technologies are needed. Question. Explore the concept of AI ethics boards within corporations. What are their typical responsibilities, and how can they effectively influence AI strategy and implementation? Correct answer. D. AI ethics boards typically oversee the ethical aspects of AI development and use, ensuring that AI projects align with ethical standards and public values. They can influence strategy by integrating ethical considerations into project approval processes, conducting regular reviews, and acting as an advisory body for AI-related decisions. Question. How can organizations ensure that AI systems do not perpetuate existing societal biases or create new forms of discrimination? Correct answer. A. Organizations must implement comprehensive bias audits, use diverse datasets for training AI, and continuously monitor AI outputs for signs of biased decision-making. Training for developers on recognizing and mitigating bias is also crucial. Question. Discuss the intersection of AI and environmental sustainability. What governance principles should be established to ensure AI technologies contribute positively to environmental goals? Correct answer. B. governance principles should include the assessment of AI's environmental impact, promoting AI applications that support sustainability, e.g., optimizing energy use, reducing waste, and mandating that AI projects align with broader environmental policies and goals. Question. Analyze the philosophical underpinnings of the concept of machine ethics and how it influences the development of autonomous decision-making systems. Correct answer. A. Machine ethics explores the moral behavior of artificial agents and influences autonomous systems by integrating ethical decision-making frameworks directly into AI algorithms. This requires a multidisciplinary approach, involving philosophy, cognitive science, and computer science to develop AI systems that can make ethically informed decisions autonomously. Question. Discuss the implications of the no free lunch theorem for AI governance in the context of algorithmic transparency and accountability. Correct answer. B. The no free lunch theorem states that no one algorithm works best for every problem. This has implications for AI governance as it challenges the one-size-fits-all approach in creating transparent and accountable AI systems. It necessitates a tailored governance approach that considers the specific use case, domain, and inherent biases of different algorithms. Question. Evaluate the role of adversarial machine learning in testing the robustness of AI systems and its implications for regulatory compliance. Correct answer. C. Adversarial machine learning involves creating examples that are designed to cause AI models to make errors, and is crucial for testing the robustness of AI systems. Its use raises significant regulatory implications as it can expose vulnerabilities that might not be covered by existing regulations, suggesting a need for updating AI governance frameworks to include adversarial testing standards. Question. Explore the ethical and governance challenges associated with the use of deepfake technology and potential regulatory responses. Correct answer. D. Deepfakes pose challenges in misinformation, consent, and authenticity, undermining trust in digital content. Regulatory responses could include laws mandating disclosure when images or videos are altered with AI, criminalizing malicious uses, and developing technology to detect and flag deep fakes. Question. Analyze the concept of algorithmic sovereignty in the context of national security and its impact on international AI governance norms. Correct answer. A. Algorithmic sovereignty refers to a country's ability to control and regulate the algorithms used within its borders, particularly those impacting national security. This concept can lead to fragmented international AI governance norms, as countries might insist on localizing data and mandating specific security measures, impacting global interoperability of AI systems. Question. Discuss the potential for bias propagation in AI systems used in judicial decision-making and strategies to mitigate these biases. Correct answer. B. AI systems in judicial settings can propagate existing biases found in historical data, affecting fairness in sentencing and bail decisions. Strategies to mitigate these biases include using de-biased training data, applying fairness-aware algorithms, and maintaining human oversight in critical decision-making processes. Question. How does quantum computing challenge current AI governance frameworks, particularly in the areas of data security and algorithmic complexity? Correct answer. C. Quantum computing can potentially break many of today's encryption methods, rendering current data security practices obsolete. Furthermore, the complexity and unpredictability of quantum algorithms challenge existing governance frameworks that are not equipped to manage or regulate the advanced capabilities and outcomes of quantum-enhanced AI systems. Question. Evaluate the intersection of AI and genetic data, focusing on the ethical, legal, and governance challenges posed by predictive genetic algorithms. Correct answer. D. The use of AI to analyze genetic data raises significant ethical issues around consent, privacy, and potential discrimination. Legal challenges include navigating complex healthcare regulations and genetic non-discrimination laws. Governance must ensure that genetic data used in AI applications is handled with the highest standards of confidentiality and used ethically to avoid stigmatization. Question. Discuss the challenges and strategies for implementing global AI governance frameworks that accommodate differing cultural and ethical standards. Correct answer. A. Implementing global AI governance frameworks is challenging due to diverse cultural and ethical standards. Strategies include developing flexible, principles-based frameworks that allow for regional adaptations, fostering international collaboration through multilateral organizations, and engaging diverse stakeholders in the development of these frameworks to ensure broad acceptance and compliance. Question. Analyze the role of AI in enhancing corporate governance, particularly in the context of risk management and strategic decision-making. Correct answer. B. AI can significantly enhance corporate governance by providing advanced analytics for risk assessment, detecting patterns indicative of fraud or compliance issues, and optimizing strategic decisions through predictive modeling. However, integrating AI into corporate governance requires careful consideration of the ethical implications, potential biases in decision-making processes, and the transparency of AI-driven insights.